Having not bought some electrical connectors for a while, and having putting some lighting on my lawnmower, and they all have those round connectors, yet Napa doesn't sell them, Harbor Freight doesn't sell them. Are they like getting rid of that kind of connector? I mean, you've been using flat connectors, but basically for inside stuff. I don't like using them for open to the elements. It leaves too much area. It's hard to seal them up. I'm like, I see them online, but that's they ain't in stores.